If you want to maintain your privacy while using Apple TV Plus, you can hide your online status. Follow these simple steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open Apple TV app. Launch the Apple TV app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID to access your account settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu within the Apple TV app. This is usually found in the Account section, where you can manage your preferences. Step 3. Select Privacy Options. Look for the Privacy options in the Settings menu. This section allows you to control who can see your activity and online status. Step 4. Turn off online status. Find the option to hide your online status. Toggle this setting to off to ensure that others cannot see when you are online. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, make sure to save any changes you made. Exit the Settings menu and return to the main interface of the Apple TV app. By following these steps, you can enjoy your viewing experience on Apple TV Plus without others knowing your online status.